Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our class, and today is English class. Today we will learn use sound words. Children, open your book Enjoy with English Primo, page number 15. So, yesterday in Google Meet live class we have learned use sound words. We have done page number 15. Okay, so children, we are learning use sound words. Once more I want revise. Okay, I wanted to revise for you. Let's revise. Okay, this is use sound words. Read the words. This is a duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. This is a glue. Okay, G-L-U-E. Glue. This is a house. H-O-U-S-E. House. R-O-U-N-D. Round. Okay, and pluck. This girl, she is plucking the flower. So the spelling of the pluck is P-L-U-C-K. Pluck. Here we can hear the sound of U. And then clue. C-L-U-E. Clue. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. T-R-U-C-K. Truck. T-R-U-C-K. Truck. B-L-U-E. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. C-L-O-U-D. Cloud. P-O-U-N-D. Pound. Fill in the missing letters in each word. I know most of you have done this one. Okay, some of you have sent me the homework also. But dear children, from now on, I want everyone to send me the homework. You can send me in the personal group as well as you can send me in personal number as well as you can send me in group. Okay children, but keep remember one thing. Okay, please write your name. Okay, you have to write your own name so that I can know who all have sent me the homework. Okay, who all have sent me the homework. Fill in the missing letter in each. This is S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. J-U-G. Jug. J-U-G. Jug. P-U-P. Pup. P-U-P. Pup. B-U-G. Bug. G-U-N. Gun. M-U-G. Mug. Okay, so these all we have done already. So let's turn the page. It's page number 16. This is fill the missing letters to complete the word. You all have to fill the missing letters to complete the words. Okay, there is one word, there is one picture, you have to complete this one. Okay, so this is a bug, as you can see. So the spelling of the bug is B-U-G. Bug. B-U-G. Bug. Okay, so here we can hear the sound of U. It's a okay, B. See, here also let's do one by one. Okay, so let's write here. What I have to write, can you help me? Okay, I have to write B. Okay, write B. B-U-G. B-U-G. Bug. Okay, here we can hear the sound of U. It's a. Okay, what is this? This is a nut. Okay, so the spelling of the nut is N-U-T, nut. So here also we can hear the sound of U. It's again a. See, nut. Okay, so the spelling of the nut is N-U-T. Now tell me what I have to write. First, N-U-T, nut. Okay, children, can you hear the sound of U? It's a. Okay, N-U-T, nut. Write in your book, nut. This is a hut. H-U-T, hut. Here also we can hear the sound of a. It's a, hut. And last one is mug. Okay, the spelling of the mug is M-U-G. So missing letters were M and U. Right? M-U-G, mug. H-U-T, hut. Okay, children? Bug, nut, hut, mug. Bug, nut, hut, mug. Okay, now this is question C. Tick the words that has U sound. So children, you all have to tick those words which have U sound. Okay, so here let's do. Okay, so what is this? This is a pin. Okay, but see, you just have to see the words. Okay, here the question is written, tick the words that has U sound. Okay, so children, you all have to tick those words which have U sound. Okay, R-U-N. First one is R-U-N. Another one is S-I-T. Third one is R-U-G, rug. Okay, run, sit, rug. Now you all have to tick those words which have U sound. Okay, so run and rug. Okay, both tick. Okay, tick here, tick here. Okay, both have U sound. Another one is man, bus, zip. M-A-N, man. Can we hear the sound of U? No, it's man. Okay, bus, B-U-C, bus. Z-I-P, zip. B-U-C, bus. We can hear the sound of U. Okay, dog, cut, tub. D-O-G, dog. C-U-T, cut. T-U-B, tub. Okay, so here we can see the letter U and we can hear the sound of U. Okay, it's a. Here also it's a. So let's stick these both. Okay, very good. Okay, so children, we have done U sound words. Let's do the fourth question as well. Okay, tick ow words. Okay, ow words. This is OU. Okay, the sound of OU is ow. Okay, say ow. Okay, ow. Yes, children, ow. So you all have to tick ow words. Now you have to listen to me carefully. First listen to me. Okay, then you have to tick which have ow sound. Now you have to notice. Okay, see, this is south. Does it have ow sound? Yes, it has, south. See, south, ow, south. Okay, so tick this one. First one, guide. Does it have guide? We should hear ow sound. Does it have ow sound? No. Okay, stout. Does it have ow sound? Yes, it has. See, stout, ow. Yes, gilt. It doesn't have. See, listen, G-U-I-L-T, gilt. This one is stout. We can hear the sound out. Okay, stout. But this doesn't have. Let's move to the next one. Okay, this is flew. we can hear the sound of u, but children, you have to tick the words which have ow sound. Okay, repeat after me. Ow. Say ow. O-u, ow. Okay, so you have to tick ow sound. Flew, this is not, okay, this is not the correct word. Okay, ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Does it have ow sound? Okay, ground. Yes, ground. Listen, ground, it has ow sound. Okay, see, O-U, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Okay, ground. So tick that one. B-U-I-L-D, build, B-U-I-L-D, build. Does it have a ow sound? No, it doesn't have. Okay, so let's move to the next one. M-O-U-N-T, mount, M-O-U-N-T, mount, mount. Okay, so there is ow sound, but N also is there, so it's, we can hear this mount. Okay, but it has ow sound, C-O-U, ow. So let's take this one. Next one is sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound. Does it have ow sound? Come on children, tell me. Does it have? Okay, yes, it has. Sound, ow. Yes, so let's tick. G-L-U-E, glue, B-L-U-E, blue, G-L-U-E. Does it have ow sound? See, it's glue, it's not ow. Okay, glue, we cannot hear the sound of ow, so let's not tick this one. This is not the correct word. Blue, does it have? Blue, blue. What sound you have to check? Ow. Does it have ow sound? No children, it doesn't have. Now see, P-O-U-N-D, pound. Does it have? Pound, pound. Ow, pound. Yes, so let's match pound, ow. Yes, it has C, P-O-U-N-D, pound. So let's tick. So children, we studied U sound. Okay, we all have studied U sound words, and we did fill the missing letters to complete the words. We finished. Okay, this is B-U-G, bug, N-U-T, nut, H-U-T, hut, M-U-G, mug, and tick the words that has U sound. Okay, so you have to tick those words which have U sound. Okay, see, R-U-N, run, R-U-N, run, S-I-T, sit, R-U-G, rug. So children, can you tell me which words have U sound? Okay, see, this is run, rug, R-U-G, rug, sit, E. So which word have U sound? This both. Yes, run and rug. After that, man, bus, zip, man, bus, zip. Okay, this has a sound, a sound. Okay, this has a sound, and this has I sound, E sound. So children, bus is the correct one. This is dog, cut, tub, dog, cut, tub. Okay, it has a sound, then it has a, and it also have a sound, cut and tub. So tick this one, tick our words. Okay, south, south, you all have to tick those words which have ow sound or ow letters, O-U letters. Okay, south, it has ow words. Okay, ow sound. Okay, guide, stout, guilt. Okay, so south and stout is the correct one, because south also have letters O-U and stout also have O-U, so it has ow sound. Okay, flew, ground, build, mount. Flew, ground, build, mount. Okay, so ground is the correct one and mount is the correct one because these both have ow sound. Sound, glue, blue, proud. Sound, glue, blue, proud. So sound is the correct one because it has ow sound and it has ou letters it has, and glue it doesn't have, it's glue. Okay, ue glue, blue blue, pound pound, it has ow sound, pound pound. So pick this one and this one. Okay children, thank you for listening carefully and do this one. Okay, thank you for listening. Have a good day.